Just actually got this in, and this is Amazon Basics Category 7 high-speed gigabit internet, which allows up to 10 gigs of data to throughput. The reason I got this is because I'm actually, as an experiment, and maybe if it works very well, I'm gonna keep it. I want to get 2 gig internet, and the way I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna have 2 ISPs offering 1 gig internet each, and I have this router which will that you can have you can use 2 ISPs on one network. So my only problem is the fact that I only have Cat 6 cabling, or Cat 5e, which is maximum is 1 gig, or they might do, I think theoretically 6E, and I haven't looked this up, can do up to 10 gigs, but I'd rather get a guarantee, which is the Cat 7 cable. These weren't expensive at all. So these are 5-foot cables, 5 of them from Amazon. This is more going to be a look at, and I'm just giving you information on what my plans are. Like I said, I'm going to get 2 ISPs, 1 gig each, and I'm going to use this router to allow 2 gig up and down, which is going to be pretty cool. I want to see. I'm a guy that comes from 56 kilobit per second modem internet speed in 95, 96. I mean, it was slow. So I back then I remember purchasing a modem card with 2 RJ11 ports, 2 different. It's basically 2 modems built into 1 card. And that used to combine the 56K to give you over 100 kilobits per second, or 1 megabit per second, I believe. I'm sure I'm a little bit rusty on my calculations when it comes to that. So 2 56K, whatever that turns out to be. And it was pretty neat because I got double the speed until somebody called. You know how that was, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, now, since we have such broadband high-speed internet, and in my neighborhood, Fios, which offers fiber optics, which is probably the best, I think, the cleanest connection that exists at this time. Nothing beats fiber. Copper just, you have too much EMI and issues with copper. So I don't have fiber in my home for computer to computer, but I will use these. These are Cat 7 from Amazon Basics, and I purchased 5 of them for $14. The link is below. So my setup is going to be, and I'm going to do a video on this. I'm going to be using my Edge router, which I use. Now I'm in a location that offers 1 gig internet, so I want to put 2 1 gig internet and have 2 gig. And I'll be doing a video on that and putting it on the internet, and I'll leave a link below when I actually do that video. I'll edit this video and leave that below. So these are Cat 7 from Amazon Basics. I love Amazon Basics products. They tend to be a lot cheaper price. So I purchased 5 of them for $14, which is excellent price. That's roughly about, I'm gonna round it up to about $3 each cable for Cat 7 for 5 feet. These are 5 feet long. Amazon Basics, as you can see. And this is not an Amazon Basic. I forget what brand this is. Here it is. These are 50-foot cables. I need this to stretch from one area to another to do the ISP, because the ISP is coming from somewhere that's about 50 feet away. So I'm going to have to run this under my rugs and everything to get the connection to the Edge router, which is about 50 feet away. So I'll show all that in the video I do. But just showing the actual Amazon Basics Cat 7 cable, and I will let you know how well they work, if they work well. Pretty cool.